So we just grabbed a Scotia fuel over here at the TA in Sparks. Getting ready to head westbound. Playing the snow. We want to get the load there. We're gonna have to put chains on. And I want to get the load there, because that's what we do. So we're chained up, and as you can see, there's a car sitting beside me. Yes, we're at a dead stop on the highway because of tons of wrecks a couple miles in front of me. Check this out. So as you can see, we're all just sitting here doing nothing. Ain't nobody moving, nobody going everywhere. I mean, nobody going anywhere, because people are sliding everywhere further down the road. Ladies and gentlemen, we're just past Nyack Road, and it's still snowing, but the chain restrictions are off right here. And so me and all the other trucks, we're unchained in here, get down the other side of the mountain, get out of this shit. It's been a long day. I'd like to stress that if you're putting on or taking off chains, to please be careful. And if you're driving past people that are putting on or taking off chains, move the fuck over. Get away. Don't be an asshole. Move over. Here in Live Oak, California, I'm at Lomo Cold Storage. These are big cold storage buildings. Basically, huge freezers. We've still got water dripping off the truck from melting snow and whatnots. Oh my god, I can't see. Oh, this guy's in my way. You're in my way, guy. You're in my way, guy. Who do you think you are? Being in my way like that. Oh, Lord, that is bright. Not trying to go in the mud. No, thank you. I'll pass on all that mud stuff. So here we are, about to back into that dock with this trailer to get off these turkeys. It's cold in there. The ice. So good morning from Reno. How'd you get to Reno, Will? Well, we delivered in Live Oak and then picked up a load from Sacramento back over to Reno. I didn't get any footage because, well, I got up the mountain and I had to chain up again. So not only yesterday, but also the day before. Right now, we're getting unloaded. 7-Up products here in Reno. The mountains look beautiful. Sun's coming up here. But we did make it up last night, probably around 9 p.m. And I ran into this fool.
She's falling, but she doesn't think you catch her. 'Cause her last relationship.
Are you doing a video?
Listen, I do want to stress to you guys, take winter driving seriously. Slow down, take your time, stop if you have to, and definitely stop if you feel uncomfortable or you don't feel that your skill level or your experience is enough to handle the conditions of the road. There's no load, no deadline, nothing worth more than your life and getting home safe to your family. Those people really care about you. The people on the other end, they're just accepting freight. So don't stress over it. If you're late, you're late. Who cares? Me, I'd rather arrive late than never arrive at all. So take your time. And like I stressed earlier in the video, when you're chaining up or unchaining, or if you're driving past a chain up area, use caution. The roads are slick. People are chaining up for a reason. Wear your high visibility vest. Always have a flashlight if it's nighttime, you know, a headlamp. And if you're driving, move over a lane. It goes for you too, cars. Well, I hope your past couple days were a lot easier than mine. So do me a favor, hit the subscribe button, share the video, and leave a comment. I'd like to hear from you guys, always. Until the next one, stay safe, love your faces. Fun on Donner Pass. Yay. Are any of you guys up here with me? Are any of you up here in this mess? Sitting still westbound. And everybody's chained up all over the place. As you can see, snow everywhere.